Chicken so good, bro.
I feel you.
Hope that nigga don't find out, man.
I know word.
Nigga, I know you ain't eating my chicken.
Bro, you say anything for me.
Bruh, I know you ain't eating my chicken.
But you say anything for me,
Bro, I'm about to slap that chicken at nigga. Don't put that shit in your face. Bro. Oh, you might get nigga. Nigga, don't talk. Put that shit down.
I'm gonna eat this.
Put that shit down.
I'm gonna eat this
You go.
chicken.
You might get my chicken, nigga.
Nigga, I'm gonna eat this chicken.
Bro, eat this phone, nigga.
Nigga,
Eat this phone, nigga. Eat this phone, brother. Don't touch my. Bro, get off my chicken, nigga. Nigga, you ate my chicken, nigga. What the fuck wrong with you, nigga? Bro, I told you about that shit. I told you about that shit, bro. Eat my fucking chicken, nigga. Nigga, you know where I got that chicken from? Nigga, Publix, nigga. That's what a white people shop, nigga. Not one Dixie, nigga.
Damn, let me enjoy this chicken. You fuck me later.
Bro,
You gave me this piece.
Eat a dick, nigga.
Oh, that's how you feel.
Not my chicken. Eat a dick.
I'm eating this chicken.
Not my chicken.
I say you too.
Eat a.
I say you too.
I'm gonna beat your ass. Fuck you.